All right, in this video we're talking about complex conjugates. Two complex numbers of the form a plus bi and a minus bi are complex conjugates. Notice you basically just change your sign in front of b. One should have a plus b and one should have a minus b. So for my first example, we have 3 plus 5i. Remember, we need to change the sign on b. Well, my b value is plus 5, so my complex conjugate is going to be 3 minus 5i. For your next one, you have 3 minus 6i. Again, I need to change the sign on the thing in front of I. So my complex conjugate is going to be 3 plus 6i. All right, my next one, we have I minus 1. Remember, there's a sneaky little 1 in front of your I. And if you want, you could rewrite this as negative 1 plus I, or plus 1i. We need to change the sign on your number in front of I. Oh, I didn't really want to erase that. So notice in front of I have a positive 1, so it's going to become a negative 1. So my complex conjugate would be negative I minus 1. Again, you could rewrite this as negative 1 minus I. It's totally up to you. And my last one, we have 5i. Again, we're changing the sign on the thing in front of I. In front of my I, we have 5. So my complex conjugate would be negative 5i because my original 5 was positive. All right, that's your video on complex conjugates. Thanks for watching.